Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly where to find your save game files and config files for Grounded 2 on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up any folder on your PC. Now go to your C drive, open the folder called Users, then open your username folder. Inside here, look for a folder called Saved Games. Go ahead and open that. Now find and open the folder named Grounded 2. Inside this folder, you'll see all your save game files. Now let's find your config files. Open any folder on your PC again. Go to the C drive, open the users folder, and then your username folder. Here you need to access the app data folder. If you don't see it, go to the top and click on the View tab, then click on Show, and select Hidden Items. That will make the app data folder visible. Now open the app data folder. Go into the local folder, scroll down, and find the folder named Augusta. Open that. Now go into the saved folder. Next, open the config folder. Then open the folder called WinGRTS. And finally double-click on GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains all your configuration settings, like your graphics, resolution, and more. And that's it. Now you know how to access both your save game files and your config files for Grounded 2. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future guides.